It's been a busy evening so far, but this is not over yet. And let me just talk briefly about power outages, because I know you got everything else, but northern Cuba County has several hundred outages. Tompkins County is over 1,000 now with NYSEG. National Grid, scattered outages, Central Square with a couple hundred. So depending on where you are, you got hit maybe just a little bit harder or in the right place and people in the dark tonight.
Yeah, because that wind is very, very powerful. We even had a wind gust reported of about 78 miles per hour, and I believe that was over in Penn. And this is the same line of storms that's moving east.
Very organized, too, or compared to what we saw earlier in the day, I should say.
Yes, definitely stronger, too.
Yeah.
So the storms we saw earlier, we did have a few severe thunderstorm warnings, but these ones are actually a little bit more stronger than the ones we saw earlier today. This entire line is under a severe thunderstorm warning as it moves eastward, and it's producing some very strong winds. As we see right now, frequent lightning, heavy rainfall, even some hail underneath the most potent cells. Again, this line is moving east. It's sitting on top of Syracuse right now, but let's go through each of these warnings. The first one up north is moving through Oswego, Jefferson, and into Lewis counties. This runs until 10:30 p.m. This cell is producing about 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. That, again, can produce some power outages, some damage, trees down, things like that. So you definitely do not want to be driving in this, and you'll want to move indoors if you are outside. Stay indoors for pretty much all of central New York. We have even more severe thunderstorm warnings as we follow this line further eastward. As we go towards Oneida County, this line is approaching Verona Beach and Rome, eventually towards Utica as well. This thunderstorm warning goes until 11 p.m. Further south, even more warnings. This cell is actually looking pretty potent. It produced a tornado warning about 30 minutes ago in Tioga County. Now it is moving into Cortland, just seeing some very heavy rainfall and frequent lightning, but we can't rule out a tornado warning on this cell as we are seeing some rotation around it. So that one is definitely one that we are keeping an eye on, at least for the next hour. So here's what's happening. We have this warm front ahead of us that's producing this line of storms. Behind it, we'll get a break from the rain late tonight and early tomorrow morning. And then this cold front on the back end of this system will produce a few showers and storms during the middle of the day tomorrow. Definitely not anything as strong as we are seeing this evening. So here's what you can expect. Right now we have severe thunderstorm warnings. We could see a possible tornado, especially on that cell heading towards Cortland. On top of that, flooding is possible because of how heavy the rain is coming down, how quickly it's accumulating. As we go into tomorrow, partly sunny skies, a dry start to the day, then scattered midday showers and storms, nothing as strong as right now. And eventually we dry out, becoming partly sunny and hot on Thursday. Dealing with this line of severe thunderstorms right now, that moves through within the next couple of hours. Quiet weather for the rest of the night, dropping down to 70 degrees. Starting off tomorrow morning dry, and we could have an isolated shower, but the best chance for rain to develop is during the midday. That's when we'll have scattered showers and storms. Nothing is expected to be super strong, though. And then as we go throughout Wednesday, the cloud cover actually shrinks away and we'll have drier air move in for the evening, even seeing plenty of sunshine by sunset Wednesday night and staying dry into Thursday. As we check out the rest of your forecast, Thursday looks like the nicest day of the week. Partly sunny skies, staying dry. It will be hot though, highs in the upper 80s. Staying in the upper 80s on Friday with a few isolated storms, but then a better chance for rain going towards Saturday, and we'll be cooling back down into the 70s.